Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your profile picture on CoinStats. It's pretty easy, so let's jump right in. Open a web browser and go to coinstats.app. Press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official website of CoinStats. Also make sure to log into your account by entering your account's credentials, and once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, click on your username. Now, under personal data, click on your camera right under your profile picture. It'll then show you this option where it says upload new photo. Soon after you click on that, it'll take you to your device's library, from where you can easily select a picture. Click on the picture and open up the file and wait for a few seconds, and you'll be able to see your profile picture uploaded. Now that's how you can easily change your profile picture on CoinStats. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.